Hello, good afternoon everybody. Welcome back with me, I'm Barika Romanti. I'm from Senior High School for Bangkalan, Madura, East Java, Indonesia. On this video, I would like to share about my experience joining this seminar in Webinar International Seminar from Mawardi University in India. And also I would like to explain and I would like to share about the Indian education system, tradition and custom. Oh, and don't forget, if you have any comment, you can share to me. And if you like my video, don't forget to always subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Joining this seminar was really nice. I got many new experience in teaching. All the trainers were kind and informatively. Thank you so much for this wonderful seminar. And I would like to say thank you for the TIAUPS International for India Indonesia EduLinks. Education in India is primarily provided by public school, which is controlled and funded by the government at three levels: central, state, and local, and also private school. There are three levels of schooling in India. The first is primary education, second is primary education, and the third is secondary education. On primary education, it starts from 3 years old until 6 years old. On primary education, start at 6 until 14 years old, and the secondary education start from 14 until 18 years old student. There are three types of the school in India. The first is government school. The government school includes school run by the state and the local government as well as the central government. And the second is government-aided private school. This school that receive partial funding from the government. And the third is private school. Most middle-class families send their children to private school. Private schools have been established since the British rule in India, and the St. George School. Chennai is the oldest private school in India. Different types of school in India are national schools, international school, and homeschooling school. Higher education in India. Students may opt for vocational education or university education. AICTE reported in 2013 that there are more than 4,599 vocational institutions that offer degrees, diploma, and post-diploma in architecture, engineering, hotel management, infrastructure, pharmacy, technology, town service, and others. There were 1.7 million students enrolled in this school. Here are some Indian cultures, tradition, and custom. Greetings. The Namaste. The Namaste is the one of most popular Indian custom. The Namaste or Namaskar is the one of the 5 forms of traditional greeting, festivals, and religion. India also sees a large number of festivals. The Muslims celebrate Eid, the Christians have Christmas and Good Friday, the Sikhs have Baisakhi as first thing of crop and the birthday of their gurus, and the Hindus have Diwali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, the Jains have Mahavir Jayanti, the Buddhists celebrate the Buddha's birthday on Buddha Purnima, and quite honestly, the number is endless. Family structure, joint families. In India, there exists the concept of a joint family, wherein the entire family, parents, wife, children, and in some cases relatives, all live together. Fasting is an integral part of Hindu culture. Fasting are a way to represent your sincerity and resolve or express your gratitude to the gods. Religious customs. Holy cow. Cow in the Indian culture is considered to be a holy animal. The religion and the culture of India appreciate and expresses its gratitude towards this innocent animal. Architecture. Temples. Most temples are located along magnetic wave lines of the earth, which help in maximizing the available positive energy. Going to the temple often helps in having a positive mind and garnering positive energies, which is turn led to healthier functioning. It is also a practice to take off footwear before entering these places. Dresses of India, Indian ethnic wear. Indian women are often seen wearing saris. The sari is a single cloth and needs no stitching. It's easy to make and comfortable to wear. India is also famous by their Indian dance. India is a line of unity in diversity, and the dance are no different. Different form of dance classified as folk or classical find origin from the different part of the country, and they are as a way to representation of the particular culture from which they originate. The last is language. India is socially, culturally, and linguistically very diverse. Hindi and English are widely spoken and recognized for official purposes.